In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose your location in Waze. To get started, open Waze in your web browser and go to the directions page. This is where you can set up your trip, choose where you're starting from, and enter the place you want to go. If you're using the live map version of Waze, the layout is very simple, which makes this process quick once you know where everything is. When the page opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Waze keeps the directions panel. Most of the controls you need for planning a route will appear here, so it's a good idea to focus on this section first before looking at the map itself. In that left side panel, click on Driving Directions. This opens the route planner so you can begin entering your trip details. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you're on the directions page and not a general map view. Next, click on the field labeled Your Location. This is where you tell Waze where your trip will begin. Depending on your browser settings, Waze may already suggest your current location, but if you want to choose a different starting point manually, this is the field you'll need to use. After that, type in your destination. Enter the address, place name, or landmark you want to travel to. As you type, Waze will usually generate suggestions to help narrow down the exact location. This can save time and also help avoid errors caused by spelling mistakes or incomplete addresses. Once the suggestions appear, select the suggested address that matches where you want to go. Make sure you choose carefully, especially if there are multiple similar place names or nearby locations with almost identical addresses. Now look at the map. After you select the destination, Waze updates the map view so you can visually confirm the trip. This is helpful because you can immediately see whether the route looks like it's starting and ending in the right places. Waze will then show your route on the map. You should see the path highlighted along with travel details based on the chosen starting point and destination. This gives you a clear preview before you begin navigating. Finally, check the address to make sure it's correct. Before relying on the route, take one last look at the listed location details in the directions panel. Verifying the address is an important final step, especially if the destination name is common or if several suggestions appeared earlier. And that's how to choose your location in Waze. Once you confirm the address and route, you're ready to continue with your trip planning confidently.